Hi, welcome to From the Bottle. Today I'm going to show you a marinated citrus rosemary chicken breast. This guy has so many uses, and I use 3 different essential oils in this: lemon, rosemary, and black pepper. Black pepper is such an underutilized oil, but it's really great in the kitchen. I'll show you a few other ways to use it and tell you about it later. You ready to go? See how it's done? All right, let's go. So I love this recipe because these chicken breasts come out so juicy. But remember, don't leave them marinated for longer than 6 hours because that acid in those citrus juices will start to cook the chicken breast. You can broil, grill, or sear this, whatever you like, and you can see there's so many different uses for it. It's just a great all-around chicken breast. Now let me tell you a little bit about these 3 oils that we used in this recipe. I added lemon oil for a little bit of a kick instead of using zest. And lemon helps cleanse and detoxify your organs, as well as helping you clean the stovetop after dinner. Rosemary, you can diffuse that guy to get yourself focused or add it to your hair conditioner for hair health. Black pepper is a great oil for supporting your digestion, so it's perfect for the kitchen, especially supporting your lower GI tract. It's also a hot oil, so if you use it topically, it's wonderful for circulation, but make sure that you do dilute it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. And this oil is also one that is high in antioxidants. So black pepper all around is great for you internally and wonderful in the kitchen. And if you want another use for black pepper oil in the kitchen, check out my Bloody Mary recipe. The punch of flavor in this marinade came from 3 oils from the bottle.